Hi viewers, in this video tutorial we see the procedure of how to update your Samsung Galaxy Europa i5500 phones to latest USA version of LUI-JPL Froyo 2.2 firmware. Last time we have seen the updates for European and Asian users, and now we'll see how it gonna work for USA users. The European and Asian users need to note that the firmware update for the Asian users is DXJP7 and the European version is XFJPQ, and the remaining procedure is same for all the users. So as of now we will see how to update your Samsung Galaxy Europa phones to USA LUI JPL 2.2 firmware update. So as this is not an official release through keys, we probably use Odin Flash tool to update your phones. So for the convenience of the users, we have divided this whole article into three parts so that you can easily follow the instructions and the actual procedure of firmware update. See here you can see the pages 1 2 3. So when you click on to, will navigating to the second page, and here we see the instructions to be followed before updating your Samsung Galaxy Europa phones to LUI JPL version. So here the first and most important point to consider is storing and backing up of your data on the phone. This is because once you finish with the firmware update, all the data in the phone will be lost. So in order to avoid the losing of the data, you need to ensure that you have a better backup and storage for your messages, contacts, music files, pictures and videos. So here we given you the simple techniques on how to store and back up your messages, contacts, pictures, videos, etc. So once you finished with this part, you have to consider the APN and MMS settings, because once the firmware update is completed, the most of the users cannot access the internet services and the MMS services because most of the users really ignore this step. They fail to note the settings of APN and MMS. So in order to avoid that, you need to ensure that you have a note of these APN and MMS settings. You can follow this path. See applications, settings, wireless and network, mobile network, access point names. Here you can find out these APN and MMS settings, so please make a note of these settings. So once you're done with this, next instructions to be followed is your phone's battery should be having a charging of more than 90%. Why? Because in order to get a better battery backup after the updation, you need to ensure that it has a good battery life before the updation. So you need to keep the charging for the battery for more than 90%. So once you finish with that, you are ready to for the actual procedure. And in the next page here, see third page, you can see the steps to update your Samsung Galaxy Europa phones to USA version of LUI JPL. So first of all, initially you need to download this package file. We have already downloaded, so the users will be prompted here to enter the password. So enter this password, androidadvisors.com. Then you will be open this file. These are the extracted files we are showing here. This is a PIT file, OPS file, and this is one package star file, and here is the Odin Flash tool. So once you ensure that all these files are extracted to the computer, then open the Odin software tool. Okay, then be ready and turn off your mobile. Now again on your mobile in the downloading mode. So how to enter into the downloading mode? Here we have given you the reference video to how to get your Android phone into the downloading mode. So or else you press volume down key, press OK button along with the power button simultaneously to enter into the downloading mode. So once your phone into the downloading mode, just connect the phone to the PC using the USB cable. So as soon as you connect the phone to the PC, the block here will be turned into yellow color, you can see here. So this is the indication that all the drivers have been successfully installed in your computer. So once you finish with this, just go to Odin toolbar and select the OPS file from the extracted files. Then you can go on the one package file and you can select this. See, here you will get some messages that okay, then click on the start button and the process of updation will start now. So this may take few minutes, so don't interrupt the process in the middle, because once any interruption is caused there may be a chance of breaking of your phone. So don't interrupt the process in middle, so wait until all the process is completed. So as soon as the process is completed, your phone will be restarted automatically. So that is the indication of completion of your updating process. So once the process is completed and your phone get restarted, just turn off your phone and on it again to enter into the recovery mode. So here again, how to enter into the recovery mode. So to enter into the recovery mode, you need to press the volume up key and OK button along with the power button simultaneously, or else you can refer the video here on how to get your Android phone into the recovery mode and continue the process. So once you are into the recovery mode, just choose options like wipe data, factory reset and wipe cache partition. So why you need to do this? Because in the process of updation, some of the cache files will be generated in your phone in order to damage your applications. So to avoid this, we have to clear all the cache files from our phone using the options like wipe data, factory reset and wipe cache partition. So once you clear all these files, just reboot your phone, where you will find the option to reboot like this, reboot system now, and again you need to enter the language preferences and Google account preferences to on your phone into the normal mode. So once you're done, that's it. Your Samsung Galaxy Europa GTI 5500 phone is with the latest USA version of LUYJPL Froyo 2.2 version. So if you find any issues and doubts, please mention them under the comment section below. So that's all for now. Thank you.